Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 83,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include lighting package, automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.